Good morning all, this is Vibhuti Dibedi, a merchant navy officer from Nemara, Cuttack. My current location is at sea in Qatar on board merchant vessel. This video I have prepared specifically for the most eligible bachelor, a man of multi-dimensional integrity, that's none other than our Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Mr. Naveen Patnaik. Namaskar sir. My dear Chief Minister, on a very serious note, I thank you for your conviction, commitment and devotion for engaging yourself in war against Corona. And those measures and steps taken and that is timely implemented to control coronavirus in Odisha are really commendable, while the rest of Indian states along with whole world is reeling from it. Salute you, sir. Dear sir, and you know you have created a history the way the way you are navigating the state of Odisha in this catastrophic situation, dodging our state in between two deadly crises like health and financial crisis arised due to COVID-19. No doubt, sir, you have set an example of a true nationalist statesman by arresting your own party worker who was harassing health worker in Nagaspur, that's in my locality, and that is on a personal basis, emotional note. Earlier I was so worried about my family members due to lockdown and on top of it staying thousands of miles away from them. But your proactive action against offender in my locality as Nagaspur, honestly speaking, made me to believe that my family is safe out there in Odisha. It's under your administration, sir. And on a professional note, yes sir, your work ethic by going beyond partisan politics is nothing short of excellent, sir. I repeat, that's nothing short of excellent. And I take an opportunity to extend my regards to our most productive Cabinet Minister, Mr. Pratap Jana, for keeping healthcare professionals' moral and spirit high by supporting arrest of that offender in August. The inter-Odia people are with you to come out victorious in fight against COVID-19. I'm sorry to be informal while addressing you people, as you know I'm expressing my heart directly. And thank you. Long life our Honorable Chief Minister sir. Long life Mr. Pratap Jana sir. Joy Hind.